In this video, we're going to explore what dynamic websites are, what web designers need to create them. Then we're going to look at some examples of beautiful and functional dynamic sites. And we're also going to examine how to choose if they are a best fit for you or your business. Let's get to it. Hello and welcome to part 2 of website types. In this video, we'll talk about dynamic websites. So what are dynamic websites? In simple terms, they are websites that can change and adapt based on user interaction, data input, or other factors. Unlike static websites that remain the same regardless of user experience, dynamic websites are much more interactive and personalized. To create a dynamic website, web designers need to have a good understanding of programming languages such as PHP, JavaScript, and SQL. They also need to be familiar with content management systems like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. These are platforms that allow designers to create custom themes and plugins that can enhance the functionality of a dynamic website. Now let's take a look at 3 examples of beautiful and functional dynamic sites. Airbnb. This popular platform allows users to book vacation rentals all over the world. The site is highly interactive, allowing users to search for specific types of properties and filter by location, price, and other factors. It also includes user reviews and recommendations, making it a great example of a dynamic site that is both functional and visually appealing. Spotify, the popular music streaming platform, is another great example of a dynamic website. The site adapts to user behavior and preferences, offering personalized recommendations based on listening history and search queries. It also includes a range of interactive features such as playlists, social sharing, and the ability to follow artists and other users. ASOS. This online clothing retailer is a great example of a dynamic site that is both visually appealing and highly functional. The site includes a range of interactive features such as a virtual try-on tool, product recommendations based on browsing history, and user-generated content such as product reviews and photos. I know you couldn't wait for the shout-out moment, so our moment today goes to Indulgence Nail Parlor in Protea Glen, Soweto, South Africa. Check out their variety of styles from French manicures and pedicures, stilettos, coffins, etc. on their TikTok and Facebook pages. Kindly follow them and show your support. I'll leave their details. I could also mention you or your business on one of my upcoming videos if you click on the shout-out link and follow instructions. Happy now? So how do you know if a dynamic website is the best fit for you or your business? If you're looking to create highly interactive and personalized user experience, then a dynamic site may be the way to go. However, if you have a smaller budget or are just starting out, a static site may be a better option. As a web designer, I also offer paid tutorials for viewers who would like to learn how to create their own dynamic websites. These tutorials cover the basics of creating a dynamic website and can be a great way to get started with building your very own dynamic websites. Thank you very much for watching. The next video will be about e-commerce websites. If you have any questions and you would like to learn more about creating your own e-commerce sites or dynamic sites, please feel free to reach out to me directly. Bye. Thank you.